Ratchet. Sometimes I just be doing shit that don't make any fucking sense. Like, I just be doing shit knowing that it's no good for me all the time.
Yeah, I know. Crunchy. They're probably doing a deep condition. Look at front. Ah, she get a hair dye. She finna look like Marilyn Monroe. God, look at Ace. Ooh, Lord bless her. It's so pretty here. So pretty. Look at the one by me. Concierge. It hurt. It hurt. We come back. We're gonna come back. See the after. Y'all, look at her. Yes, good. Shake, shake it, shake, friend. Yes. You look nice. The camera. Oh my God. Looking like a woman.
Good
You feel? Oh.
You talking to me?
Yes. How do you? Oh my God. Let's go live. At the nail salon now. Look. The colors. Brian getting her nails did. Mine done. I don't like them now. They from 2-3 weeks ago. You came to this shop because my shop was packed again. So she here. Look at her. Me?
Yeah. Scratch me right here.
Scratch.
Yeah. On my neck, on my hair, right under my hair, right down, over. My hair, not my neck.
Ow.
Right.
And get next. Now you say to your kitchen. Say your kitchen. Got me scratching her kitchen. Girl, she get her. She get her heads up. Don't know how to act, honey.
I do not act. Acting how I act.
A hot ass mess.
I'm about to say Hazy Nights is Sunday.
What?
I'm about to say Hazy Nights is Sunday, but it's not Sunday.
So I guess y'all gonna spend the day with us.
Yeah.
She off today.
Why that girl wasn't in school?
Probably pregnant. Oh, I'm sorry. That's just me. No, I'm just playing. Y'all, what would y'all do if I was, though? Ow. God, she just hit me. And that really hurt.
Good. Maybe it'll fall out.
Fuck wrong with you? Don't do that to make off.
You would never.
You're right. Don't ever do that to make off. If I have a child, his name if it's a boy, his name is gonna be something like Corian or I don't know. What name is gonna be?
Disappear.
She said his name gonna be disappear. Give me some ideas. I don't know.
Non-existent.
But I got all the girl names though. Kalani.
So original.
It is. Kalani. Modesty. Alicia. Hell no. Hell. I ain't doing that.
That's only one name.
Minerva. Cause she work on work. Minerva. Come here, Minerva. Minerva. You know somebody named Minerva though. You know, I know Minerva. And Minerva. I know Malira too. What's the ugliest name you heard? Well, lie. It's beautiful.
Alicia.
No.
She's a hater.
I know, but everybody know one Alicia. Everybody don't know a Chyna.
I run into my name, yes. What? That is a very popular name.
Now it is. Because people starting to wake up and realizing that name is mine. Look at
Listen.
who's the yeah. Who's the hater now? She don't know how to act. Oh, now shenanigans. Now she ain't engaged or whatever. There you go, legs.
Be careful, okay?
We're at my auntie house. Auntie, where's she at?
She outside.
Oh, she outside. We here for my cousin. Huh? Who said that? Who? Who said that? Said to do you? My cousin's getting married, so we're at the house. Oh, well, you know what I mean. So, I'm next. I'm gonna catch the bouquet. When I say I'm getting married, that means I can be married to anybody.
I do. But the grill gonna stay closed?
She swears she's looking like something. How I look, y'all?
A mess, like always. Tell y'all.
I look a mess, y'all. Auntie, say something to YouTube. Say, hey, YouTube. It's fine, girl. You still look fine. You still fine, girl. Shoot, you look fine. We know Auntie clean up. We know Auntie clean up. So, shoot, right now this is your cooking ensemble. Yeah, it's okay. We don't want her to bust her lips, so we'll be back when she gets here. Now let's watch friend blow a balloon. Let's see you blow. Hey, friend. Hey. Girl, now you know you blow better than that. Blow. 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 Ah, there it goes. I'm just trying to blow this balloon, y'all. Look at her. Go ahead, Mom. Try to blow it. Good. Got it.
Water out the freezer.
My name's Footy.
Hey, you take that water out the freezer.
Change my name.
Take it out the freezer. Take it down the bottom.
Oh.
If you ever did.
Oh, yeah? We used to doing everything here. Oh, yeah? No, she can blow, y'all. She can blow. My name would no longer be blessed.
That's what he said.
Yeah, Ratchet Chyna.
Say it again.
Ratchet.
What? Say it again. On what?
Ratchet.
On what?
Ratchet.
What?
Ratchet.
You heard?
On what?
Ratchet.
You heard what she said? You heard what she said? You heard?
Tag, show me the model pose.
What you got first?
Show me the model pose. What's your model pose?
This, hold up. Let me like this. That's like forward up.
Hey! Cash! Show me your model pose. Show YouTube your model pose. Oh,
I love this song.
like every song from Kiki Wyatt.
What?
I'm in a fool without you.
looking like a Snapchat filter.
No, this one.
Exit, right? Come
Come here, photographer.